Asteraceae, systematic position, angiosperms, dicotyledons, gamopetalae, inferi, asteraceae. Characters of Asteraceae, mostly herbs or shrubs or rarely trees. Leaves alternate, rarely opposite, rarely stipulate, inflorescence capitulum or head, surrounded by involucre of bracts, ray and disflorate, flower tubular or ligulate, flower bi or unisexual, or outer male or female, pentamerous, actinomorphic or zygomorphic, calyx pappus, corolla gamopetalous, petal lobes five, stamens five, epipetalous, usually diathecous, filament free, anthers united, that is syngenesious, intros, ovary unilocular, inferior with basal placentation, style slender, stigma bifid, fruit cypsella. A vegetative characters, habit, herbs, ageratum, lactuca, dahlia, soncus are herbs, shrubs, inula and senecio, rarely trees, vernonia, arborea and leucomeris. Many of the plants are xerophytes, prostia, hydrophytes, cotula, some are semi-aquatic, Cassiolea axillaris, root, taproot, sometimes modified into tuber, dahlia, stem, erect or prostate, herbaceous or woody, artemisia, hairy, sometimes with latex. Stem tubers are also present. Tubers are edible, Helianthus tuberosus, cylindrical, glabrous, solid or fistular. Stem may be leaf-like, Baccharis, leaf, alternate, rarely opposite, zinnia, dahlia or whorl. Leaves may be radical, petiolate or sessile, juxtipulate, mostly simple, sometimes scale-like, unicostate or multicostate reticulate venation. Floral character, inflorescence, a head or capitulum consisting of a few or large number of flowers or floret closely arranged on an axis surrounded by involucral bract. The whole head or capitulum is apparently similar to a single flower because the involucral bract performs the function of protection. In Helianthus, the outer or peripheral ligulate and zygomorphic florets are called ray florets, whereas inner or central tubular and actinomorphic ones are called disc florets. In capitulum or head, the form of flowers and distribution of sex also varies. On the basis of form of flowers, the heads are of three types. First, heterogamous or radiate head. The outer or ray florets are ligulate and zygomorphic, and inner or disc floret tubular and actinomorphic. For example, Helianthus. Homogamous red or ligulate heads. All the flowers in the head are ligulate, zygomorphic, and alike. Example Soncus. Homogamous, non-red, or discoid head. All the flowers are tubular, actinomorphic, and alike. Example Ageratum. Distribution of sex. The flowers of a head may be all hermaphrodite, that is ageratum, or ray florets are female or neuter, and inner ones hermaphrodite, all male. Rarely, the complete head bears unisexual flowers. Flower bracteate, sessile, soncus, and ageratum. Complete or incomplete. Hermaphrodite or unisexual. Pentamerous, tubular, actinomorphic or ligulate, zygomorphic, epigynous and conspicuous, ray floret, zygomorphic, ligulate, pistillate or neuter, or sometimes also bisexual epigynous. Calyx modified into pappus or absent or scale-like. Corolla, petals 5, Gamopetalous, highly colored, ligulate, strap-shaped valvate. Androecium absent. Gynoecium either absent or if present then bicarpillary syncarpus inferior unilocular with basal placentation. One anatropous ovule, style 1 stigma bifid, fruit absent if present cypsilla, seed non-endospermic, floral formula, bracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual or neuter, K. pappus, C. Fayu united, A0, G2, inferior huri or zero, disc florate. Flowers are bracteate, sessile, complete, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, pentamerous, epigynous, and tubular. Calyx modified into pappus or scale persistent. Corolla, petals 5, gamopetalous, tubular, colored. Androecium, stamens 5, epipetalous, syngenesious, diathecous. Intros, dehiscing longitudinally. Gynoecium, bicarpillary, syncarpus, inferior, unilocular, with single anatropous ovule. Basal placentation, style simple, long, stigma bifid, fruit acypsella, seed non-endospermic, pollination entomophilous, floral formula, bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K. pappus, C. Fayu united, A. Fayu united, G2 united, and inferior ovary. Distribution of Asteraceae. The family is commonly known as sunflower family. It is the largest family of Dicotyledon, comprising 950 genera and 20,000 species, out of which 697 species occur in India. They are worldwide in distribution and abundant in tropics and in cold Arctic or alpine region. Economic importance of Asteraceae. Food. Leaves of Lactea sativa are used as a salad. The root of Helianthus tuberosus are edible. Oil. The seeds of Helianthus and Artemisia yield oil. Medicinal. Soliago used in dropsy. Artemisia yields santonin, which is used as a vermifuge. The root of taraxacum used in bowel disorder. The juice of Emilia sonicifolia leaves has cooling effect and is used in eye inflammation and also for night blindness. Eclipta alba used as a tonic in spleen enlargement. Centipeda orbicularis is used in cold and toothache. Rubber, it is obtained from Solidago, Leavenworthy and Taxacum. Insecticide, the capitula of Chrysanthemum roseum and Capitula cerifolium are dried, powder and used as insecticide. Ornamental, zinnia, dahlia, cosmos, chrysanthemum, calendula, helichrysum, aster, helianthus, etc. are well-known garden plants. Weeds, xanthium, blumia, sonchus, vernonia are the common weeds. Primitive characters. Some plants are woody and perennial. Leaves alternate and simple. Capitulum of only actinomorphic hermaphrodite flowers. Some genera which are Vernonia, Ageratum, Micania. Ovules anatropous. Pollination by insects. Advanced character. The family Asteraceae or Compositae is regarded as the most advanced and highly evolved and is considered to occupy the highest position in the plant kingdom. It includes maximum number of genera, that is 950, and species 2000. The members of this family are worldwide in distribution. Plants mostly herbaceous, annual, biennial or perennial. Leaves stipulate, opposite or whorled. Floral buds are well protected by involucral bracts, flowers sessile, small, inconspicuous, flowers arranged to form a capitulum inflorescence, flowers epigynous and, in many species, zygomorphic, calyx reduced to pappus or scales, corolla gamopetalous and tubular, reduction in the number of stamens. Stamens epipetalous and syngenesious. Gynoecium bicarpillary, syncarpus inferior unilocular. Single ovule. Basal placentation. Fruit simple in some mechanism of wind dispersal. Some plants are wind pollinated. Seed non-endospermic. Due to small flowers, much of the material is saved. This is the flower of Helianthus anus, that is sunflower, and floral diagram. Thank you.